Been a while since we've been on a bike packing trip, so we're taking a little 2.5 day trip. Got Ricky Bobby all lined up, loaded up the camping gear. Nothing heroic, it's a 50-mile day today and tomorrow, and then a 30-mile day on the third day, which brings us home. Going with our friend Nat, who just got a new touring bike.
This tour was in the Midwestern United States. From the inner suburbs of St. Louis, we made a 132-mile loop with overnight stays at Pere Marquette State Park and Horseshoe Lake State Park. The trip also included major river crossings, including the Missouri River, the Mississippi River, the Illinois River, and finally the Mississippi again.
On our way out of town in rush hour. Brings back memories of bike commuting to work. What do you say, Nat? Good morning to go bike riding? So this is your new bike? All City is the brand. What's the model?
Cosmic Stallion.
Cosmic Stallion. That's pretty nice, right?
Which makes me the space cowboy.
This is Creve Coeur Park. On the Katy Trail for a little bit here. Woo! Coming into St. Charles, which is on the Missouri River, and it's known for where Lewis and Clark started their expedition. This is a museum. I guess these are replicas, huh? Of the Lewis and Clark boats?
We don't know the dog's name that Lewis and Clark were with, but we're pretty sure it probably didn't look like this dog, but...
MKT. What does it stand for?
Missouri, Kansas, Texas.
$8 pitchers. All right.
Okay.
We feel like we're finally in the country. Flat bottoms of the Mississippi River floodplain.
It's an egret party.
Have a good day, thank you.
Our two-story hill road off of the Golden Eagle Ferry. Hi. Look.
Maybe they call it 2 stories because this is the second
Oh, the second story. Calhoun County, a little special place in Illinois.
It's pretty hot out, and Sandy saw the sign that said ice cream, so we're going to investigate.
He's blaming it on me.
The last stop was a pitcher of beer. This one's a pitcher of apple cider and little tub of sorbet.
Peach sorbet.
Finally getting a little cloud cover. It has been a really hot day. Yeah, good idea to stop for some cold apple cider that was so good. We're back on the road heading to the Brussels Ferry. I think this is it. Home sweet home. Let's go to the point.
How is it?
Uh-oh, I broke it.
It won't fit, will it? Illinois River, sunset.
It was a hot night for camping, but at least it was quiet. That is, until a large family with lots of kids and music showed up.
Port of Grafton.
Pouring instant coffee.
Woo! Looks like a Big Muddy Adventures canoe and kayak trip.
Here before the bike.
Coming into Alton. That's it.
Holy shit, that's pepper. And wow, fancy. How do we get the fancy?
Lunch. Everybody here?
We're here.
That was a pretty good stop.
Yeah, for sure.
2 baskets of fries and lots of ketchup.
Second or third to last lock and dam on the Mississippi going south downstream. What's the current temperature?
It says 92 on my Wahoo.
Did you see the lightning?
I saw the lightning, yeah. So this is the monument to the confluence of 2 of the biggest rivers in the United States, Missouri River and the Mississippi. You can't see the confluence from here, but we're hoping we can go up there to get a look. So that's the confluence there. We visited each of the 3 platforms. You can't see the confluence of the rivers till you get to the top one. And we're getting ready to roll again. It's very pretty, isn't it? Wow, that's quite a marsh. Here's our campsite at Horseshoe Lake State Park, and hardly anybody here. Oh, you can see the arch a little bit. Pouring. Good morning.
Morning.
It's been raining for 4.5 hours now, and it's supposed to rain till about 11 or 12, so we're gonna wait it out. But we might make a mad dash to the outhouse.
Hopefully it's a nice outhouse.
Hopefully, at least we don't have to dig a hole this time.
How was your side?
You know, it had teepee.
It's still raining, and we're having oatmeal in the tent. We got a little earlier break than the forecasted noon, so we're packing up and gonna make a move. Leaving Horseshoe Lake Campground. Quiet night, except for the rain, but that was welcome. The industrial part of the tour.
Yeah. Fun morning to have seen the deer and the turkeys and the egrets and the heron.
We're not sure where we're at.
Lovejoy, Illinois, it turns out. We just saw the post office. Another train under us. Entering the Gateway Arch grounds. One last stop on the tour. Gonna get some tacos.
Where are we?
Taco shop. El Paisano on Southampton. Cheers, you guys. Good ride. Good tour.